Hi, I'm Nathan Garcia, and in this video, I want to help you answer the question, how much should I save in my 401k? Now, I have a lot of friends who ask me this question very regularly, and I always have to come back and say that the answer depends. You see, the amount that you save in your 401k plan is a reflection of your personal financial situation and your expectations for the future. Everyone's situation is different, and so the amount that they should save can really be answered by answering 3 other questions. So in this video, I'm going to help you figure out how much you should save in your 401k plan and give you some resources to actually calculate the value for yourself, just so that you know that you're on track or you know where you should be. Now, I have to mention that this video is not for personal financial advice for you. Before you take action on anything that you hear in this video, make sure you consult with a professional who's qualified to give you advice. This is just for educational purposes only. So the first way to determine how much you need to save in your 401k plan is to calculate how much income will you need in retirement. The easiest way to do this is to calculate the future value of your income at your retirement age. So if you're currently 40 years old, then you want to retire at age 65, you have 25 years. And so you want to figure out how much will my salary be worth in 25 years. And what you'll need to do to determine this amount is actually to use an inflation calculation. And the formula to do this is called the future value of money. And it's very simple to use. There are a lot of different calculators online that can help you figure this value out. Now, once you have inflated the value of your salary in the future, what you can do is determine how much income you'll need over your lifetime in retirement. And with that total value, now we have a number where we can say, okay, I'm going to need X amount in order to retire. And if I save this much each paycheck until I retire, then I can expect to have a certain amount of income in my retirement. And so basically what you're doing is you're looking at how much money will you need in the future, and then you are determining how much you need to save in order to get to there. So there are some calculators that can help you do this, and what you'll want to consider is which other resources you'll have in retirement. Maybe it's Social Security, maybe you will have an inheritance from your family, or maybe you own a business right now and you'll be receiving income from that. Or you'll get pension if you're in the military or a federal employee. So those are all factors that would reduce the amount that you actually need to save for your 401k plan. The next question that you need to answer when determining how much you should save in your 401k is how much will you save in taxes? You see, a lot of people overlook the fact that by contributing to a 401k plan, you can save in taxes. In fact, your 401k plan is one of the few vehicles to allow you to get tax-deferred savings. Basically, what you're doing is taking a percentage of your income this year and moving it to the future so that it will be taxed in the future. So that leaves you with less money to be taxed this year, and as a result of that, you save money in taxes. All you're doing is you're pushing those taxes to the future, but I'd rather have tax savings today and allow me to save for my future. So in 2018, as an individual under the age of 50, you can save $18,500 into your 401k plan. If you're over the age of 50, you can save an additional $6,000, and this is a catch-up contribution that would bring your total savings amount as an employee up to $24,500. So you can put away up to $24,500 per year into your 401k plan. If you're a business owner, you can go above this depending on your 401k plan rules. And it's important to know that you and your spouse can put away up to $18,500 or $24,500 if you're over the age of 50. So if we have a household where we're both over the age of 50, then we can put away up to $49,000 in a tax-deferred vehicle. So essentially, I can reduce my taxable income by up to $49,000. So if I'm paying an effective tax rate, let's just say of 20%, then that's going to save me about $10,800 in taxes just by maxing out that 401k plan. So before you determine how much you are going to put into your 401k plan, make sure you know what the tax savings are. Because I speak with a lot of people and they say, oh, I'm making too much money, I'm paying too much in tax, but then they're not actually maxing out their 401k plan. And so in order to get the most value out of that 401k and to save some money on taxes, you'll want to max that 401k plan out if you can. Now, the third question you should answer when determining how much you should save in your 401k plan is how much of a match is available through your employer. Many employers will offer a matching contribution for any contribution that you put into your 401k plan. So for instance, you may receive a 5% match dollar for dollar on any amount that you put into your 401k plan. Basically, if you put in 5% of your income, your employer is going to put in 5% of your income. And what's great about that is that you're getting some extra money there that can help you with your retirement savings. And so at a minimum, I would definitely encourage you to put in enough to take full advantage of the match, because when you think about it, this is income that's available to you if you choose to do so. So you want to make sure that you're taking full advantage of that match so that you are building good habits, but then also you're getting all the money that's on the table. So in order to answer how much you should save for your 401k plan, you'll want to figure out how much you'll need to save to provide a good lifestyle for you in retirement. You should also answer how much in tax you will save. And then finally, how much do you need to save in order to get your employer's matching contributions? So I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know in the comments below, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave them there as well, or reach out to me. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.